What is 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 5? Simple and straight question. Let's do this. But first, do you know what is the 0 of the polynomial? Any given polynomial. If there is a polynomial px, then what is the 0 of this polynomial? It's simple. 0 of the polynomial is the value that we get when you get the value of this polynomial is equal to 0. So let us say that there is a value constant a as the 0 of this polynomial. In that case, we can write it as if a is the 0 of px, then p of a must be equal to 0. This means if we have to find the 0 of this polynomial, then this must be equal to 0. What is px here? It is 2x plus 5. So we can write 2x plus 5 instead of px, which means 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 if we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Just simplify this. We have 2x is equal to minus 5 because 5 goes this side and thus changing the sign, which is equal to x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So the 0 of this polynomial, 0 of polynomial px, which is given here, is equal to minus 5 by 2, which is our answer. So whenever you have to find the 0 of the polynomial, equate the given polynomial to 0 and solve it. The value that you get is nothing but the 0 of that polynomial. It is simple. Just do it. And believe me, study mere, not anymore.